we're going to make a video of the steam train. Well, I already make a lot of video of the steam train. You might realize that this steam train doesn't have that much changes except for the tractor, the tender, and also the coaches. That's the only changes. Well, the tractor, I kind of removed the back because I kind of want to use it for something else since it's too big to fit in here. Well, in today's video, the video I'm about to make is about the coaches. The coaches is kind of like the colors. This coach is kind of the most vehicle that I make the most same colors because it's mostly not like colorful like this tender. What? In a sec. You can just have a view of the train. Everybody wants to tell something. What is it?
Wow.
Well, as I was saying, this coaches is just like the Disney coaches from the Lego Disney train. I copied it just a bit. It's just I use blue color. This coaches isn't that hard to build because the parts from it is the same parts from the what was it again? Oh, the classic Lego box. You know, you just search in Google classic Lego and then you'll find they sell it. I use those parts to make the windows, and also I use the bricks to make the foundation of it, except for these parts over here, and also the top, and also this roof. The roof is the easiest thing to make, not that hard, and also the roof is kind of simple to make. You can make one of these coaches since they're not hard to find the parts. They're kind of common, all of the parts except for the wheels. The wheels aren't really common, but yeah, it's kind of okay. I'm not sure what am I making the video for because it's just about the coaches. Maybe let's just check out the tender then. The tender still only has one wheel, and also I just add these two parts because I couldn't find the same color of this blue. The tender is also kind of small, very small, and also it's colorful, I guess. This steam engine is mostly really blue. The next video I'm going to make is about steam engines. If you haven't seen it, don't forget to click on it and see it. Well, I'm not sure if some of you already seen the video of this cargo and also steam train, but I'm just gonna explain it. The steam train is the title. The steam train is a narrow gauge engine. The color of it is blue. It's designed. It's designed for speed. It's also designed for like tours, such as like going to the castle, museum, or anywhere they have tracks. This steam engine can pull up only about 5 coaches or cargoes. This steam engine also has a tall funnel, tall as the cab. The steam engine cab is a lot of way more taller than the boiler. The boiler is 3 blocks taller, and also the cab is 5 blocks tall, and also the pistons, and also the cylinder has flowers on it just to add the deco. The coaches, not really quite much, but okay, I'll just say it's nice. And also the flatbed, I think needs to be a little smaller, or just needs to add a bigger vehicle, because the vehicle can fall down like, oh. Okay, everybody, don't forget to. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Bye bye. Ah! Okay. Whoops.
Oh no!
I'll just put it back like this. This and this and this. Toing, toing, toing. Just put it back like that. Yeah. Why isn't it working? Ah, there we go. And there, and there, and there, and ta-da! Doing. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. As maybe soon I'm going to make a video of how to build the steam engine. And the next video I'm going to show you how to build these coaches and cars. Bye bye. Peace out. Yoink. Need to get ready for classes.